One sunny day, in a quiet little town, lived a unique and lovable lady named Lily. But Lily wasn't an ordinary lady, she was a very large and jolly lady, known as the Fat Lady. Everyone in town loved Lily, for she was always kind, gentle, and full of laughter. She had a garden filled with beautiful flowers, and children loved to play in her lush green yard. One day, young Timmy, a curious and adventurous boy, noticed something peculiar. In Lily's garden, he found a tiny, glowing seed. He picked it up and asked Lily about it. "Oh, Timmy," said Lily, "that's a magic seed. It can grow into anything you wish for." Timmy's eyes sparkled with excitement. He wished for a giant apple tree in Lily's garden. As soon as he made his wish, the seed sprouted and grew into the most beautiful apple tree anyone had ever seen. The apple tree grew and grew, its branches touching the sky. People from all over came to see the magical apple tree in Lily's garden. They marveled at its size and beauty, and everyone was happy. But as the tree grew, it started to take up too much space in Lily's small garden. Lily was worried, for she didn't want to disappoint the townsfolk. One night, Timmy had an idea. He went to the magical apple tree and made a wish. "I wish for the apple tree to grow no more, but to stay just as it is, so that we can all enjoy it without hurting anyone." As soon as he made his wish, the apple tree stopped growing. It stood tall and strong, bearing delicious apples that everyone could share. The townsfolk were delighted, and Lily was relieved. From that day forward, the magic seed brought joy and happiness to everyone in the town. And Lily, the Fat Lady, was loved more than ever before. The end.